Hello and welcome back to With Soul. In today's video, we are going to see some everyday actions and what are those actions called in English. हम हर रोज बहुत सारे काम करते हैं, बहुत सारे actions करते हैं, but when we start speaking in English, we can't find the right word for each action. हमें समझ नहीं आती कि कैसे एक्सप्लेन करें which is the right word for which action. हमें एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स नहीं पता होते, फ्रेजेस नहीं पता होते कि किस एक्शन को कैसे डिस्क्राइब करें इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. So let's see some of the basic everyday actions that we do and what are those actions called in English. So let's start our today's class with morning routine. हमारी morning routine में कुछ actions होते हैं जिनके लिए specified words हम देखेंगे कि क्या कहते हैं. Starting with this action. What can we say? This action is called sipping tea or having a cup of tea. Moving on to this action. What is this action called? It's called grabbing breakfast or having a bite. कोई चीज खाना, नाश्ता करना, उसको हम कहते हैं grabbing breakfast or having a bite of breakfast. Moving on to this action. What is this action called in English? इस action को क्या कहते हैं? जब हम सोकर उठते हैं तो उसको कहते हैं getting up. The girl is just getting up. Moving on to this action. जब हम दांत साफ करते हैं सुबह उठ के उसको क्या कहते हैं? It's called brushing up. The boy is brushing up his teeth. Moving on to this action. कपड़े पहनने को या तैयार होने को क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में? So it's called putting on clothes or dressing up. The boy is putting on his clothes or the boy is dressing up. Moving on to the next action, that's from going out. अब हम बाहर जाते हैं तो उसके लिए बहुत सारी different situations होती हैं. हर चीज़ को हम going out नहीं कह सकते. So in the picture, what do we say जब हम घर से निकलते हैं? It's called stepping out or heading out. We are stepping out of house for a picnic. Moving on to the second action, that is road पर निकलना. So it's called hitting the road. अपना सफर शुरू करना, उसके लिए phrase यूज होता है we are just hitting the road. हम अपना सफर शुरू करने वाले हैं. So the next action is दोस्तों से मिलना. आपस में दोस्तों से मिलने को इंग्लिश में कहते हैं catching up with friends. The girl is catching up with her friends. Moving on to the next action, that belongs to work or study. जब हम काम कर रहे होते हैं और काम खत्म करना है तो उसको हम क्या कहेंगे? उसको हम कहेंगे wrapping up. I'm wrapping up my work for today. Moving on to the next action, that is काम करना. अब काम करने को हम क्या कहते हैं? I'm getting down to work. मैं काम शुरू कर रहा हूँ. Moving on to the next action, that is सोचना. अब हम सोच रहे हैं कि कोई काम किस तरीके से होगा तो उसके लिए हम इंग्लिश में यूज करते हैं figuring it out. I'm just figuring it out how to do this task. Moving on to the next action, that belongs to free time. जब हमारे पास free time होता है तो उसमें कुछ activities हैं, उनको हम कैसे इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन करेंगे? Let's see. So the first is जब हम टीवी देखते हैं, हम कोई मूवी, कोई सीरीज कुछ देख रहे हैं, what do we call that action? We call it catching a show or binge watching. Moving on to the next action, that is social media देखना, मोबाइल चलाना, मोबाइल का इस्तेमाल करना. That's called scrolling the phone or checking socials. I'm just scrolling the phone or I'm checking my socials. Moving on to the next action, that is walk पर जाना. So going out for a walk, इसकी जगह हम यूज कर सकते हैं taking a stroll. I take a stroll in the evening. I usually go out for a stroll in the evening. Next action is about nighttime routine. So our nighttime routine, what is this action called? जब हम लेटते हैं उसको कहते हैं going to sleep or crashing. I'm just going to sleep right now or I'm just crashing right now. Second action is थोड़ी देर का आराम करना. So उस आराम करने को कहते हैं taking a nap or dozing off. I'll just take a nap of 30 minutes or I'm just dozing off for a bit. Moving on to, let's review these sentences now. So, जब हमने कहना होगा कि मैं खा रहा हूँ, I am eating, instead of that we can say I am grabbing a bite. Instead of saying I am going, say I am heading out. Instead of saying I am cleaning, say I am tidying up. Instead of saying I am going to sleep, try saying I am crashing. Instead of saying I am meeting someone, we can say I'm catching up with a friend. So these were some actions that we do every day and how to describe them in English. So next time, whenever you are doing these actions and you have to describe them, try using these trendy phrases. And with Soul, we'll be back with another exciting video soon.